So I'm home now, and I'm going to finish I'm going to speak from now on in the video. So currently I'm going to help my sister with her homework. That's the first thing I do when she has homework. Then I go with her with the plants and the lawn. Guys, so it's like dark now, but I am going to check my plants now. We had a big storm yesterday. Oh my god, we had a big storm yesterday, so the plants are not that dry. Oh yes, they are. They're dry, but we're going to water them now. My dad is here. Okay, so I'm going to I have this series I'm doing on my channel, which is Operation Video. So that's why we have the garden and stuff like that. So if you want to see more of the garden, check out that video. I think I have one up, and then one will be coming out after this. But yeah, the garden is doing so well. Honestly, I'll update you guys in that video. So I'm just going to do that now, and after this I'm going to be making dinner. My routine is basically this. So after this I make dinner, wash the dishes, and get ready for bed, journal, and then pick up around the house, and then that's basically my night routine. It's not really calming or anything like that. It's just practical, my routine. So yeah, let's go.
Still here and waiting for us to happen, 'cause you never wanted everything I loved about you. I probably imagined, 'cause we never had it. Funny, it's been so long, and still there's nothing that's changed. And it was never your fault. Wish there was something to blame.
So I'm in bed now. So there's this funny thing that just happened outside. So my dad came home and saw me like cleaning so aggressively. Like as you guys saw, like the house was messy, very very messy today especially. But my dad came home and was like, I never like clean and like I never do that, but like because I'm filming that. And I just told him that like I literally had it on my routine to do that this year, but I've never been so consistent with it, and the house has never been that dirty. And so he was like, it was just so funny. I was like, I never do that, but I'm going to prove to him this week that I do it every day. But I just get so tired sometimes. Like today, especially today, I shouldn't have even done it because it's so late. I don't even know the time. I think it's around 9:30, and I'm supposed to wake up at 4. Like people, I haven't even. The light is sober, but guys, this is the evening vibe of my room. Like there's nothing I can do. And like it's I have to now journal. I sleep quickly. Like the moment I lie down, I'm gone. So that's not a problem. But like I'm not come to journal, and I'm not going to miss a day. Like just because what? But waking up tomorrow at 4 a.m. it's gonna be a struggle. I think tomorrow is going to be the same as today when I was so tired. Like in the morning we're reading the Bible, but I'm still going to wake up at 4. Like nothing is going to stop me. Anyways, so after I finished cleaning the house, I changed to my nightgown, like do all that stuff, and then I come journal. So for my nighttime journaling, I have like this exercise book, guys. I'm not like, I don't have that aesthetic like a literal footballer. I don't have that aesthetic like books and stuff. Okay, well I have one, but that's for my devotions and morning journaling. Oh my god, the Bible. So I just journal here, like free form write, and I just write anything that happened today, anything I want to just get out of my mind. I don't write like pages. It's like almost like 80% of the page. After I do that, I literally had I got so many notifications that colleges want me to like send in any missing documents because the due dates, and like I was like, no, not this evening. Like I'm not going to do that. I'm going to sit down tomorrow morning when I'm doing my emails and schoolwork and like do all this, but like not this evening. Like, and plus, who is going to be there to send any missing documents? Like, so I'll be doing all that tomorrow. Like, I don't know. I want to feel like a productive day tomorrow, but like I'm filming to end this on the same time. Anyways, I'm blabbering now. I should be journaling and getting ready to go to bed. So I'm going to do that. Then I might talk to you guys again before I finally sleep. So yeah.
Got kick.
So I'm literally so tired now. It's literally like 9. It's so dark. Like it's 9:40 right now, and I need to be asleep. I'm literally going to get 6 hours and like 15 minutes or so. And honestly, I'm just gonna take it like it is. There's nothing I can do. I'm just going to chill now. Usually after I finish journaling, I like to go over my fasting app, put in my start my fast, and then what else, check my fit app, the Google Fit app, just to check my steps and like how I did today. Then I also go to the YouTube studio and just check how my videos are doing. So guys, subscribe and like, support my channel. Okay, let me see guys, I'm going to bed now. I'm in bed, like what am I saying? I'm just so tired. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys. Just comment anything that you want to know about me, the first thing you're curious about, or any nice thing you want to say. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.